Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change the text color in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to open a new project. And here you can also create a new project. Here you're going to find new team project and open a team project. So right now I'm going to create a new project by clicking on create new. And then once you're here, you can choose any media file that you want to work with. So for example, I'm going to select this one. So right now, basically guys, in order to add a text, firstly, just go here to the top. Right here, you're going to find horizontal type tool. You can either click right here or you can click on Control plus T on your keyboard. So right now I'm going to click on it, then choose a place where you want to type and then just type anything that you want. For example, I'm going to type tutorial and then as you can see guys, once you type it, it will look like this. So you can change the place of the text. Right now I'm going to change the size of the text and then as you can see guys, we're going to place this right here in the center. So right now, if you want to change the color of the text, it's pretty easy. Just go here to the right in this menu. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to your text. Right here, you're going to find the transform options. And if you go a little bit right here down, as you can see, guys, you're going to find here the color. So you can either enable or disable fill, and also you can enable or disable stroke. So I'm gonna leave fill enabled, and then I'm gonna click right here. Then all you need to do, guys, once you're here, is choose the color that you want to use. And then once you do that, just go ahead and click on OK. And as you can see, guys, now we changed the color of this text. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.